Hello, welcome to Economist Training. Today we are discussing the concept of agglomeration economies. Agglomeration economies are the benefits that arises when the firm and the people are located close to one another. This proximity creates positive externalities that make each individual and firm more productive and competitive. One of the key benefits of agglomeration economy is access to larger labor market. When firms are located in close proximity to one another, they can tap into a larger pool of skilled labor, making it easier to fill open position and to find specialized talent. This in turn leads to a higher level of productivity and innovation. Firms are now able to draw on a large base of workers, knowledge, and expertise. Another benefit of agglomeration economies is the access to specialized input and services. For example, firms in a particular industry might benefit from having access to specialized supplier, transport network, or a research and development facilities. By locating close to these inputs and services, firm can reduce their cost and improve competitiveness. Agglomeration economy also creates a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. When firms and individuals are located close to one another, they can share ideas and knowledge, collaborate upon projects, and learn from each other's success and the failures. This leads to a more dynamic and innovative business environment where new ideas are more likely to be generated and successfully commercialized. Overall, agglomeration economies are a powerful force for economic growth and development. By bringing people and firms together, they create a virtuous cycle of innovation, productivity, and competitiveness that benefits the individual firms and the entire regions. And that's all about the agglomeration economies. Thank you for watching such short explainer videos on the different concept of economy. If you like this, please like our video and subscribe our channel to watch such short explainer on the economic concepts. Thank you very much.